rapid growth of the e-commerce business, what is a better option for building your very own dropshipping store? Welcome to our channel, where we discuss matters around dropshipping. Please subscribe to keep updated on our content. Your subscription is my greatest motivation to create more videos. Now let's get into today's video. Unless your dropshipping store is based on major platforms like Amazon or eBay, you can pass around the comparison between WooCommerce and Shopify. That brings us the question, which one is a better platform for creating an online store? Let's bring in our contestant. WooCommerce is a free e-commerce tool that is built on the world's most popular CMS, WordPress. Both WooCommerce and WordPress are built on an open source, which means that anyone can contribute to improving the software in different ways. There are over 55,000 WordPress plugins available for download, and these are all created by independent businesses and individuals. Unlike WooCommerce, Shopify is a closed source, meaning that only Shopify and companies they have approved are allowed to create functionality for their platform. This kind of setup comes with both advantages and disadvantages. One advantage is that almost all functionality maintains a high standard, while the disadvantage is a smaller supply and perhaps a lower top-level pricing. As a small business owner, pricing is obviously the primary factor for you. Let's take a look at how Shopify and WooCommerce compare in pricing. WooCommerce price. Since WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress, WooCommerce itself is free. However, setting up a WordPress store isn't. You need to buy a domain name, and hosting the cost of which varies incredibly. There are many hosting companies that you can find online that offers you WordPress WooCommerce hosting package like SiteGround, ManageWP, with everything you need to get started for as little as $5 per month. Shopify offers a tiered pricing plan, with each providing different services. From basic plan begins at $29 to advanced plan to $299 per month. However, what makes Shopify costs hard to calculate are the transaction fees and payment gateways fees. We've discussed specific rules of how Shopify collects their additional fees in our past videos. If you haven't checked that out, to give a simple explanation, Shopify takes a small percentage of each sale. If you make a payment through their Shopify payments platform, you will pay 2.9% plus 30 cents fee transaction. If you accept payments through another gateway such as Stripe or PayPal, you will pay a flat fee of 2% per transaction. The payment gateway itself will also take a fee. These fees can add up very quickly. While WooCommerce pricing might be free, Shopify features are abundant. User experience. Simplicity is the key to most online e-commerce platforms. As an e-commerce seller, you're probably pretty tech-savvy. But that doesn't mean you can or should spend hours adding code. So, in the Shopify versus WooCommerce battle, who wins? When compared to WooCommerce and WordPress as a SaaS product, you pay a monthly fee for a product that works straight out of the box. There's no need to worry about backups, security, hosting, or anything like that. You go to a website, sign up, enter details, and start building your web store. It's that simple. Once you are on the platform, you can use the drag and drop builder to create your web store as you like it. You uploaded products, images, pick the theme and some colors, and you're just about ready to launch. It's a smooth, simple, hassle-free process. Once your store is set up and running, it's easy to navigate around using the sidebar. At any time, you can edit products, change the layout of your store, do just about anything with the confidence that you won't break another part of your store. There's one downside to all this. If you want fine, detailed, almost grander control, changing the white space between two pictures, for example, it's almost impossible. Overall, Shopify is well designed, intuitive, easy to use, and no more complicated than it needs to be. Now, you will see how to use WooCommerce to start an online storefront. WooCommerce isn't as easy to set up as Shopify. It is, however, just as easy to use in day-to-day businesses. It is, however, just as easy to use on a day-to-day basis. To use WooCommerce, you first must have a WordPress website. If you are not sure to do that, it basically means purchase a domain name, sign up for a hosting package, install your WordPress website, install a WordPress theme. Once you've taken care of that, you then need to install the WooCommerce plugin into your WordPress website. Then it's up to you to take care of updates, security, and having regular backups of your data. True. It's worth nothing that WordPress and WooCommerce don't come with any actual design. You will begin with a blank standard theme, which is up to you to customize. As you saw in the design section of this article, while all this is quite complicated, the benefit is at the other end of the spectrum: control. As you read with Shopify, it's difficult to control things on a very fine, granular level. With WordPress, it's not so hard. All types of functions are available and most are free. The flexibility is also prevalent using WooCommerce for your online store. On a day-to-day basis, WooCommerce is just as easy to use as Shopify. Just like Shopify, once this is all set up, you're just about ready to sell. The battle's not over yet. We'll discuss other aspects of these two platforms in the next video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up. I will make more quality content with motivations. Did you use WooCommerce or Shopify for your dropshipping business? What is your experience? Leave a comment and let us know. I will see you next time.